On the top right corner of your screen, you can see three options: floor plan, 3D and elevation. When you click on floor plan, the 2D drawing of your civil layout and furniture planning from a top view is shown. When you click on 3D, you can see the three-dimensional view of your entire model. When you click on elevation, you can see a drop down next to it, and whatever elevations you have already set, you can check the view of those elevations. We suggest that you use the elevation view only in rooms. First, select the room that you want to view and then select the elevation that you want to show. As you can see, this is the elevation of the kitchen. When you create elevations in floor view, there's a lot of clutter that you can see from the other rooms as well, which is not relevant. Hence, it is suggested that you use the elevation tool only in the room view.